this is a U-shaped pillow. I choose it because it can release the pressure of work in the coming year.
Это подарок, который я приготовил для своего коллега. Желаю ему все его наличие удачи.
And I hope this many coffee blender can make them drink more coffee and warm themselves in the winter. Okay?
For the Christmas, I got some pampering for my colleagues because winter is very dry. So I hope this gift can help him to